Hello friends, so in today's video we are going to see program that is iterative program to reverse a linked list. As you can see here, this is our definition of node of a linked list, and this is our linked list which we will be taking as an example. Head is containing the address of node 1, node 1 is containing the address of node 2, node 2 is containing the address of node 3, node 3 is containing the address of node 4, and node 4 is pointing to a null address. So to reverse a linked list, what do we need to do? We need to traverse the linked list, and while traversing the linked list, we need to manipulate the pointers. Okay, now let's take an example. Suppose I am at node 2. What we need to do? I need to update this link part so that it will point to node 1. Okay, can we do it directly? The answer is no. So what do we need to do? If we will do it directly, we will lose the address of node 3. So somehow we need to store the address of node 3 before making node 2 point to node 1. So I will have a pointer called next which will store the address of next node. So, and one more thing, to traverse this linked list we need a pointer, and I will use a pointer named CURR for this purpose. And if I am traversing and if I have a position node 2, then I will need to update this pointer to the address of node 1. But do we have the address of node 1? No. Okay. So what we need to do, we need to store and carry the address of node 1 also. That is, for that task we will be using a pointer named previous. Now let's write our program to do this. And it is not going to return anything, its return type will be void. Iterative reverse. And first of all, what we will do, we will initialize these pointers. Struct node star current equal to head. That is, we are going to copy the value of from head to current, and after that we will declare two pointer next and previous. Node star next and struct node star previous. So these three are the pointer which we are going to declare. After that we will run a while loop. While current is not null, we are going to perform few operations. And what are these operations? We are going to store the value of this node. I am writing a generic program, okay, but giving the example of this one. Next will be equal to current dot link. After that, what we will do? We will update this current dot link part. Current dot link will be equal to previous. And once previous current dot link will be updated, we will update previous and current. Previous will be equal to current, current will be equal to next. And after that, when this loop will terminate, what we need to do? Here we are only manipulating these pointers, but when we will reach at the last of the linked list, we need to make somehow head point to this node. So head will be equal to previous. So friends, this is our program to reverse a linked list, that is iterative program. Now let's see how this code will execute when we are going to call this iterative reverse function on this linked list. Okay. Now first of all, what we are doing? We are creating three pointers: current, next, and previous. So this is our current pointer, this is our next pointer, and this is our previous pointer. And in current we are updating it to head, that is 100. It will start to point to node 1. After that, this while check will be done. Since current is not run right now, so these four lines will be executed. That is, next will be updated to current dot link. And what is current dot link right now? Current dot link is node 2. Okay. So in next, what we are going to do? We are going to copy 200. And after that, current dot link will be updated to previous. Previous is null now. So it will be null here, and this link will be broken. And after that, previous and current will be updated. Previous is equal to current, that is previous will be equal to 100 and current will be equal to next. And in next we have 200. So this is what will happen in first iteration. So after first iteration, this current node will point to node 2, next will point to node 2 and previous will point to node 1. Now come to second iteration. In second iteration, current will be equal to 200. So this while check will be true. Next will be updated to current dot link. So next will be updated to current dot link. That is next will be equal to 300. Current dot link will be equal to previous. Current dot link will be equal to previous. What's in previous right now? In previous we have 100. So this will be updated to 100. This will be broken and it will start to point to node 1 and after that it will come to second line. Previous will be updated to current. So previous will be updated to 200 and current will be equal to next. So in current we are going to update to 300. So this is our story of second iteration. And where will be these pointers pointing after second iteration? Next will be pointing to node 3. Current will be pointing to node 3 and our previous will be, suppose this is our previous pointer. In previous we have 200, it will point to node 2. Now come to third iteration. In third iteration what will happen is, again this while check will be true. Next will be updated to current dot link, that is next will be equal to 400. After that current dot link will be updated to previous. What is current dot link right now? 400 and it will be updated to previous. Previous is pointing to second node 200. So it will be updated to 200 and node 3 will start to point to node 2 and after that previous will be updated to current. That is we are going to update this previous to 300. After that current will be equal to next. Current will be updated to 400. So this is what is going to happen in third iteration. And after that we will come to fourth iteration. Now what will happen in fourth iteration is, current is 400. So current will point to node 4. Next is also 400. So it will point to node 4. Previous is 300. It will point to node 3. And after that the while check will be done and it will be true as current is 400. So these 4 lines will be executed. That is next will be updated to current dot link. And what is current dot link right now? Current dot link will be equal to is null right now. So next will be updated to null. In next line what will happen? Next will be updated to current dot link. And after that current dot link will be updated to previous. And what is previous? 300. So this will be broken. 300 will be there, which means node 4 will start to point to node 3. And after that these 2 lines will be executed. Previous will be equal to current. That is in previous we are going to put 400 here. Okay. And after that we are going to update current to next. And what is next? Null. So current will point to some null address. That is this will be broken and it will point to some null address. And after that this while loop will, this iteration will be over. Okay? Fourth iteration will be over. And after that we will come to fifth iteration. And after fifth iteration this previous will start to point to node 4 as it is containing 400 and current and next will be null. And when current dot next will be null in fifth iteration, this while check will be false and these 4 lines will not execute and control will come to this particular line, that is head will be updated to previous. And what's in previous right now? 400. So our head will be updated to previous and head will start to point to node 4. That means this head will be gone. So as you can see here, we have successfully reversed this linked list. So friends, If you have liked my this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and thanks a lot for watching.